Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to NCS Radha's Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Board CBSE, Class 6, Subject Science, Topic Changes Around Us, Part 4. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to state expansion and contraction in liquids and expansion and contraction in gas. Let us discuss about expansion and contraction in liquids. Some examples of expansion and contraction in liquids are, first one, thermometer. A thermometer works by expansion and contraction. The liquid in a thermometer expands as it hits hotter. The corresponding markings on the glass give us the temperature readings. Next, digital thermometer. Not all thermometers contain liquid. For example, the digital thermometer contains a temperature sensitive sensor to read the temperature. This is what used nowadays to check the temperature of human being. Next, engine coolant and fuel. With the rise in the temperature of the engine, the coolant and fuel expand and their level rises. This can lead to overflowing or spilling. One must ensure not to fill the coolant and fuel in the car to its full capacity. When the engine cools and the temperature drops, the level of coolant also goes down. Radiator. Radiator caps of vehicles that are overheated should not be opened. The coolant inside the radiator is at a very high temperature because of the engine heat. The radiator cap controls the pressure on the coolant and prevents it from boiling. Removing the cap removes the pressure and the coolant boils instantly. It spurts out of the radiator, causing bad burns to the person opening the cap. Next, expansion and contraction in gas. Gases expand the most when heated. They also contract the most when cooled. Let us discuss a few examples of expansion and contraction in gases. First one, basketball and air mattress. A basketball is full of air in summers, but if left out in cold during winters, the air in it contracts and the basketball deflates. A similar property of air is visible in the air mattress. This is a basketball on a warm day, a basketball on a cold day. Next, helium balloon. In warm air, a helium balloon floats due to expansion of the gas filled in it. But in cold air, the helium balloon deflates and sinks due to contraction of gas filled in it. On exposure to warm air, again, helium balloon rises again. What did we learn today? We learned about expansion and contraction in liquids, expansion and contraction in gas. I hope you all understood the topic. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.